I figured I'd take a short video and show how we put bronze guides in. Already reamed it the size of the guide minus the press fit. Take the bronze thick wall guide, put a extreme pressure lube in the bore. You use this when you drive them in, or it'll score and drag and it'll make tight spots on the guide. We also freeze them. Freeze them cold, it shrinks it, so it drives in easier. Don't take much, just a little. Drive it in. That's all there is to it. Go ahead and drop the last thing in. And then of course we'll trim these down for the correct size, depending on what camshaft left we're running. And we'll hone them to a perfect fit and get a good cross hatch so it retains oil for lubrication. You can use those stops. It clamps on the guide on the top, so you set them evenly, but I trim them down the size anyway, so it don't matter. That's it. When you do it with this procedure, valves usually fit right off. With about a half valve clearance. That way I can hone a little bit more clearance in and have a good cross hatch. They fit really well. If you don't freeze them and you don't use the pressure lube, you won't even be able to get the valve in, because it scores the metal as it's going in, and just it makes pieces get behind the guide and it tightens it up, and the guide will never even go in. But that's how you drive guides in.